Do you take supplements every day, thinking they protect your heart? Well, some of the most popular ones might be silently damaging it instead. You could be spending money trying to stay healthy, but actually making things worse. Let's talk about 5 common supplements that might be harming your heart, and what to do instead. Supplement number 1, calcium with vitamin D, in excess. Yes, calcium is vital for bone health, especially in seniors. But too much calcium, especially from supplements, can build up in your arteries. That's called vascular calcification, and it increases your risk of heart attack and stroke. Your body can only absorb so much at once, the rest may deposit in the wrong places. Tip: always consult your doctor, and try to get calcium from whole foods like leafy greens, sardines, or almonds. Supplement number 2, fish oil, high doses. Fish oil is known for its heart benefits, but the story isn't that simple. Recent studies show that excess omega-3s can increase the risk of irregular heart rhythms, arrhythmias, especially in older adults with existing heart issues. Some brands are also poorly purified and may contain toxins like mercury. Tip: aim for balance, not megadoses. And always choose high-quality, third-party tested brands. Supplement number 3, vitamin E, in synthetic form. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. Sounds good, right? But studies link synthetic vitamin E, like DL-alpha tocopherol, with an increased risk of heart failure in some seniors. Why? It may interfere with your body's natural antioxidant balance and thin your blood too much. Tip: opt for natural mixed tocopherols, and don't exceed recommended doses. Supplement number 4, St. John's wort. Often used for depression or anxiety, this herbal remedy can be dangerous when mixed with heart medications. It interferes with statins, beta blockers, and blood thinners, weakening their effects or causing dangerous side effects. Many seniors self-medicate with herbal pills, unaware of these interactions. Tip: always check drug interactions, especially with herbal supplements. Supplement number 5, licorice root, especially black licorice extract. This old remedy for digestion and coughs might sound harmless, but it contains glycyrrhizin, which can raise blood pressure, lower potassium, and trigger irregular heartbeats. In seniors, this can become deadly, especially if you're already on heart meds. Tip: avoid real licorice supplements unless prescribed. Choose deglycyrrhizinated licorice, DGL, if needed. Bonus: combining supplements the wrong way. Some supplements may not be dangerous alone, but when combined, they can cause real harm. Example: taking vitamin K with blood thinners like warfarin without guidance can neutralize the medication. Or combining magnesium with calcium in improper ratios can stress your heart. Always review your entire supplement list with a pharmacist or doctor. Supplements can be powerful, but that power can go both ways. Especially for seniors, more doesn't always mean better. You deserve to feel safe, strong, and supported, not tricked by marketing or outdated advice. Before you take your next supplement, ask yourself, is it helping, or is it harming? And always talk to your healthcare provider first.